pretty much the home screen of the weather application here, and very easy to use. Anyone can pretty much use it. So once you open an application, you will pretty much see the weather of your location once you have selected your location, or you turn on your location on your device, or you've selected your location. So as you can see here, you have the predictions for now, current weather, temperature, as you can see here, if it's raining, if it's still sunny, or if it's going to be sunny later on. As you can see here, the time as it relates to the weather. These are pretty much just predictions as it relates to that. As you can see here, you can pretty much adjust down here. Let's say you want to check the wind and all types of stuff as well. So very good application. You can pretty much scroll down as well. You can also pretty much the sunrise for tomorrow. And as you can see here, you have the moonrise and the moonset as well. And if you do go down a bit, you have these other options here which you can look at as well. So very good application. Here you can see pretty much dryness of the skin and temperature, pretty much temperature basically. As well, you have other information which it does show you the quality of the air, pretty much the air quality basically. And as well, you do have outdoor activities and so forth, which is the best time for you to do running or pretty much hiking, golfing. You get what I mean. So it's pretty much, you can scroll. Let's say you want to go for hiking, you can tap on the hiking option, which pretty much show you the best time which you can pretty much go out for hiking. So as you can see right now, it's a poor condition for you to go hiking, and it does tell you the time which is best for you to go hiking. So the green bar tells you that it's good, red bar or the slightly orange bar, which is not that good, and also the red bar is really bad or poor. And as well, you can see other options. You have the tennis, gardening, cycling, and all these other options as well. So that's really pretty much it for that. And you can pretty much go back, and at the top here, this is pretty much where you go to select your location. If you already have your location on or turned on the device, it will automatically pick up where you are in the world, and it will pretty much give you readings for your location. So if you just want readings for a different location, you can tap that option at the top and go here and pretty much enter your zip code or your city name, and you'll be able to find it. So I'm just going to enter this option here, which I've entered earlier. As you can see here, and you pretty much select your location and you can go ahead and save that place. As well, you can see the hourly forecast, as you can see here, what's coming up and so forth, and even for the next day, you have the daily option as well. And as you can see here, they do give you daily forecast as well, and also night. So if you do want to take it even more further, they do offer a subscription for this application here. You can tap on the profile icon at the top here, and in the profile section you can tap on upgrade, and this is pretty much where you will find your subscription, which will give you 24/7 72 hours of future prediction of if rain is coming ahead, windstorm, future snowfall, everything, and also no ads. Although I haven't encountered any ads on the application, as you can see down here, pretty much their prices, and they do offer a 7 days free trial, so you can pretty much test out the application and see if it's for you. And as you can see down here, you have a monthly subscription, and at the top, pretty much have the free ads option if you just want to remove the ads. But since using the application, I haven't encountered any ads at all. Let's put it at that. But very good application, and if I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section, see if you can help you. See you in the next one.